Fishtail Pattern Warm Bucket Hat Tutorial.
Thank you.